Hello, welcome to our channel. Let's take a quick look at why you should choose us.
Hey, thank you so much for your support for creating this complicated file.
You are welcome.
Your presentation is really appreciable. Every time your work is really different from others. I like it.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words. It really means a lot for me.
Hey, how are you that much efficient in these softwares?
I took training for these softwares.
From where?
Yes, tell us from where you got the training.
I took the training from YouTube.
From YouTube? Do you think from YouTube can anyone make himself or herself that much capable?
Well, I said the result is in front of you guys.
Tell us from which channel you got your training?
Yes, tell us from where you got the training.
Well, sorry, the channel is closed now. I checked before some days.
Oh shit, ours bad luck.
No, not at all. Today I got a notification that the trainer starting a new channel named SD Creations to introduce new courses on Excel, Tally and many more softwares.
Is there no other channel like that?
Don't know. Maybe there are. But you know what? What is the best part of this channel? You will learn from an expert. Like for example, the trainer is available there for Excel as a Microsoft certified office specialist. Similarly, the Tally trainer will be a Tally certified trainer. So you will learn from an expert. One more thing, they will also provide the sample file whatever they used for tutorials, as well as you will get a practice file for further practices. Also, if you have any query you can comment it out and the replying time is also faster.
Wow, that's great. But how can you guarantee of these things?
They follow these things on their previous videos from where I learned, so I believe they will follow the same here also.
Great. Today we will subscribe to the channel.
Don't forget to press the bell icon. It will directly inbox you whenever channel upload a new video.
Sure.
Okay. But from when they are starting their new channel?
As the news said, they will starting their new channel from 8th of April 2020.
You guys also do the same if you want to become an expert in Excel, Tally and many other softwares. Remember, all download link for files will provide into the video description. We will get back to you soon. Till then, goodbye, stay safe.